I want to share this handy external drive with you today. It holds so much storage. It's called the Passport Ultra. It's portable, plugs into your computer. As you can see, it fits into your hand. It's compact. It can go into your bag, can be carried around with you. It holds 2 terabytes. 2 terabytes is 2,000 gigabytes. That's a lot of storage. Very handy to store videos because videos do take up a lot of space. So I just wanted to share this with you, and I think it's a pretty good purchase. Nothing to it. One simple external hard drive with a lot of storage, which we all need these days, that extra storage. My Passport Ultra is what it's called.